Hello ladies and gentlemen, this is Air Gamer 101 here, back with another video. So today it is a little different. Today we are not doing a gaming video, nor are we doing a music video. Today we are going to do a tutorial on how to make your videos on YouTube longer than 15 minutes. And also, this is also a tutorial for me, so yeah. So let's get right into it. So first of all, you have to be on YouTube, of course. Then you have to click on this little circle icon with your gaming icon on it. Then you go to your channel. Then over here you see all your videos, and then you see these two. You have to click on YouTube Studio. Alright, then we have this page right here. As you could see, this has all your analytic and stuff on it. So now you have to focus on this left part right here. So you have to go to settings. Alright, after you go to settings, you have to go to channel. You click on that. You do not need all this stuff. You have to go to advanced settings. Scroll all the way down and then go to YouTube account right here. Then you see all this stuff. You have to go to channel status and features right here. And boom, you're in. Now you see all the things you could be eligible or ineligible for, and the things that are enabled and not enabled. So you have to focus on longer videos right here. So if it says you're eligible, just click enable. United States, text me, blah blah blah. Submit. Alright, now when you put your phone number in, but this is just nonsense, yeah, they send you a 6-digit verification code. Once you get it, you have to put it in, no spaces. And yeah, when you submit it, it should say account verified, and then that's really it. Then you could upload videos longer than 15 minutes. I really hope this tutorial does help you guys out a lot. And please feel free to subscribe, like, comment, and share all my videos. It really does help me out a lot to know that people actually like my videos. Other than that, I'm out. Thank you guys for watching.